Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is Grand Admiral Thrawn, and this is one of the archive lines. I wasn't able to actually pick up Thrawn when he was originally released, so I'm really excited that they did release him for Lucasfilm's 50th anniversary. So what we're going to do today is we're going to go ahead and take a look at the outside of the package. We'll go ahead and unbox Thrawn here, and then we'll go ahead and take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, and then follow up with maybe some things that we like or don't like or learned while we were taking those pictures. And while we're going through this, if you have any questions, I invite you to ask down below. And if you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the package here. It is the archive line, so it's a little bit different because we've got the bubble on the outside here. A good image here of Thrawn. Pretty good likeness of Thrawn there, too. I'm looking forward to taking him out of the package to actually see what it looks like. Looks like he just has the one accessory. And then on the back here, that good likeness there of Thrawn. And on the back it says Grand Admiral Thrawn. Thrawn, a male Chiss with striking blue skin, red eyes, and an angular face, known for his brilliant strategic mind and ruthlessness. All right. And then on the back here, kind of cool. We've got kind of like the history of Lucasfilm as far as, when things came out. And then, going through, the original trilogy, Star Wars Legends, the prequels, Clone Wars, Rebels, the last three, which we won't talk about too much, and then Rogue One and Solo. All right. So let's go ahead and take Thrawn out of the box, and here we go. All right. So I typically like to just go around here. I'm not really going to keep this. I don't think I really haven't with any of the other ones, but it's just easier just going along the edge here. Of course, I didn't keep the line. Try that one more time. There we go. All right, put the knife away here. We'll probably need it again. All right, don't need these guys. Yeah, Thrawn back up there. The character, figure, foot's a little jacked. There we go. And then blaster. Actually, that's better than I thought it was going to be. All right, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at Thrawn. So let's bring him a little bit closer here to the camera. That is a much better Thrawn than I was expecting. It's actually really good. And then as far as taking a look at everything else here, I'm happy with that likeness. Head doesn't really have that much movement, though. Thrawn, he would normally do his little head tilts. Not going to be able to do that here. Head will go all the way around, just not really that far up and down movement here. Arms, there we go. Decent all the way around there. A little stiff. You're not going to be able to do the twist at the upper arm. The twist on the arm is just going to be at the elbow. We are able to get a better than 90 on the elbow, though, so that's good. All the way around there, as you would expect. And then we've got a left-right. And also a left-right. We've got a little bit of movement. Actually, it's okay movement. I really do like the belt. I think that's a really good look there. This is kind of like the rubberized.
I don't understand.
Sorry about that. Looks like my Amazon assistant was trying to come in there. Oh well. Okay, and then we've got the holster there. Upper legs. We do have the full turn at the upper thigh. We have double knees. Decent movement at the feet. So I'm not going to complain. I actually really like what I'm seeing so far. Again, my only real complaint is going to be the head movement. I really was hoping for more of a head movement there. As far as the blaster, focus in on that. I'm happy with that. It's got some good detail on it. I like that the color is pretty good too. Make sure you can see that. There we go. And then as far as the holster, yeah, I mean, that's not bad. Pretty good here. All right, as I'm going through here, I'm about to take some pictures. If you have any questions, make sure you are asking down below. All right, so let's go ahead and take some pictures, and I'll be right back. All right, so I think that was a good look at this Thrawn. Like I said, I'm really happy with what I was able to see. His articulation is actually somewhat good. He's able to stand really well on his own, so no need to use any museum putty or anything else to help him stand up. Like I said before, my only real complaint is going to be his head, because you're not able to get that twist, get that head tilt. You are able to get the up-down. I mean, that is also a very Admiral Thrawn look. Yeah, I'm really happy to add him to my collection. I think he's a good collection, good item to add to your collection, especially if you've got a Rebels line. He's going to fit in very well there. Anyways, so if you have any questions, make sure you ask down below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you do not already subscribe to the channel, I invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we do other things as well that a professional geek might find interesting. Me, myself, being a professional geek, I share things that are of interest to me, and hopefully they're of interest to you. So with that, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.